In this picture, you are watching a monkey. Monkey is going up. Now monkey is coming down. Again, monkey up, monkey down. Now this is balloon. Balloon is going up. Now balloon is coming down. Again, balloon up, balloon down. This is sparrow. The sparrow is going up. And now the sparrow is coming down. Again, sparrow up, sparrow down. There is owl. The owl is going up now. The owl is coming down. Again, owl up, owl down. This is fairy. The fairy is going up. And now the fairy is coming down. Again, fairy up, fairy down. The boy is moving up and down. Now the boy is going up, and now he is coming down. Again, the boy is up, boy is down. Quiz time. These are thumbs. Now you have to guess the direction of thumb.